that beautiful thought. How's that stick working out for you?
This stick is awesome. This is a man's stick. I don't mean a woman.
You're all like starring still. Y'all fantastic.
I love you, Daddy.
Y'all fantastic. Y'all fan- the floor and then a circle around it. Maxie just said that. I don't know why.
What about girlfriends in the floor?
Oh,
What? What?
Dude. You can throw sparks on a tip.
Fantastic floor.
Oh, that's you.
Fire.
I thought you said girlfriend in the floor. I'm like, what?
Come on, dude.
You want to poke it around in the fire, that's fine, but don't be playing around. Quit. Look, I'm running around barefooted, son.
Yeah. And that's a dry leaf. Keep that in over the fire.
Stick.
This is a man's stick. Feel this stick, dude. All the bark came off. Feel that. Isn't that smooth? Nice. This is like perfect to make a bow and arrow. Maybe we can, or just a.
We can make a baseball bat.
We can make a spear out of this.
Cut it in half, make some extra long nunchucks.
Yeah.
What?
Some nunchucks. Or nun? Is it nun? N-U-N?
Yeah, nunchucks.
Nunchucks.
Because whenever you see
Man, but it's got these. Where's your knife at? It's got these little prickles.
Prickles.
They keep pricking me.
Sam.
Sir.
When it's spelled N-U-N because whenever you see him, you ain't got nothing.
Oh snap!
Oh, snap.
I hurt myself.
Yeah, you hurt me.
No,
Your name,
clearly
Beavis?
I hurt myself.
My name is Butthead. She's Beavis.
You want to play in the fire.
Fire.
Oh.
What?
Oh.